What up, Magic Gang? Welcome to a very special video. So today we have Tauro's Tacos, and I'm so stoked for this meal.
I got the Birria Torta, Suadero Burrito, bean and cheese burrito, Quesabirria Tacos, fish tacos, Consome, Carne Asada Empanada, and Pastor Nachos.
If you love Birria Tacos, Tortas, Burritos, Empanadas, Nachos, Mexican food, and you aren't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing, dude? Go. Bean and cheese burrito. I'm gonna start with a nacho. The nachos are really good. Okay, bean and cheese burrito. Tauro's Tacos. They never get old, dude. Already, I am loving their tortillas. The pinto beans in here are really delicious. Good amount of cheese. But what if we dipped it That's incredibly good. Hold on. It's really rich. Salty. I need a chip. Nachos. Look at this. Pastor Nachos, dude. Al Pastor Nachos. They're Al Pastor. Very yummy. What would you pick from this incredible setup? So their Quesabirria taco. Let's see how it is. A lot of cheese in there. A lot of the birria meat. Let's do it. Dude, look at that. It's glistening. Just in case, you know. You never know how much consomme you're gonna need. Look at the cheese layer. Really good birria taco. It's such a savory, delicious flavor. Kind of like the beef that would be in like a beef stew. And the consomme is the stew part of it. Great bean and cheese burrito too. Again, that kind of dry outside, really soft tortilla. It's perfect. I'm loving their chips right now. They remind me kind of like the chips you'll get at like a restaurant. So they're very thin. Man, there's so much good stuff. I'm so happy. Consomme is delicious. Good amount of oil. It's like one of the ultimate comfort foods. It's so good, dude. I'm so happy I went. Dude, this al pastor meat is delicious and it's cut really thin. It almost has these caramelized ends to it. That is flame al pastor. I haven't had an empanada in a long time. Let's give it a try. Carne asada. I also have this red salsa. Good amount of oil. Deep fried. Wow. That was rich. That was rich but very tasty. Salty. Good amount of cheese in there. That's all the al pastor meat. Amazing. Is there green salsa? Or it's kind of like a creamy sauce. So it's kind of like a crema. Big cilantro flavor in it. A little avocado flavor. Creamy. That is so delicious, dude. But again, if you have a favorite taco truck, comment down below. I definitely want to check it out. Leave your favorite item that you get, and I'll try to get that. So far, this is a really good meal. So this is their fish taco, flour tortilla. Kind of want to put some of this on there. You know, one thing about Mexican food is like the colors are so incredible. It looks beautiful, you know. All the different colors on the table, all the different textures. This is incredible. But let's try their fish taco. That's really good fish. Not fishy at all. That's an awesome fish taco. Do this thing. Glistening. Who loves empanadas? I need to do more videos with empanadas because I love them. Pretty much with whatever you put in an empanada, it's probably gonna be pretty good. Very rich, but very delicious. Maybe a little lime. The other salsa, it looks like it's a chipotle salsa verde, but let's see. Definitely that tomatillo flavor, but yeah, I think it is. They have like a chipotle as a little smoky flavor. That was good. This thing is rich but delicious. Dude, so far, absolutely incredible. Let's try it out. That's delicious. The Suadero beef is so tender. With some consommé. The flavor of that meat is incredible. This is an awesome burrito. I like the pinto beans in here, and then the flavor of the meat with the beans, and then you get that cilantro and the onion. Freshen it up, add a little bit more flavor. That's a good burrito, but... So these are their Carne Asada Fries. Try these out. Bro. Whatever cheese they put on this, melted into that meat. It tastes like a carne asada cheesesteak on fries. is definitely a win. I've been craving carne asada fries. These are hitting right now. The fries are thick. I'm so glad I got these. These are amazing carne asada fries. What's really cool is like the carne asada was melted with like a mozzarella type cheese, but underneath is more of like a cheddar cheese. If you could see it. So like they put the cheddar cheese on the fries, probably mixed the carne asada up with the cheese on the grill, and then they added that on top. 2 cheeses, 1 delicious carne asada fry. These are amazing, dude. I love carne asada fries so much. It's been a while since I've had them. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pastor. And it's kind of like a creamy guacamole that's on here. Fresh tomatoes too, but I'm gonna add it onto my burrito. And like, look how much, sorry, layered it. Okay. Let's do it, dude. So this is their Birria Torta. Very soft torta bread. Really good amount of birria in there. It's got cheese. Let's do it. That's like one of the best beef dip sandwiches I've ever had, but like times 10. The bread soaks up the consommé, so you get that in each bite, and it makes it really soft and just so delicious, so savory, salty. Big flame. This is such a good call, dude. Let me get some of that cheese. Let me dip it. I'm getting to the avocado. Let's go. That's so delicious, dude. Very rich, very savory, but very delicious. These fries are like incredible too. You see how big those are? Like alone, the fries are awesome. The world needs more birria queso tortas. That bread soaks up the consommé so well. Oh yeah. Dude, fish taco with the birria is so good. As somebody who loves fish. Dude, this is amazing. I'm like blown away by how fresh. So the mixture of the tomato with the onion, the pastor in here, and then I put the tapatio, a little lime. So just eating this has been like packed full of flavor and just like refreshing. Tauro's Tacos, absolutely delicious meal. If you enjoyed this video and you aren't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing to life, dude? Many more videos on the way. I hope to catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, Magic Gang, you rock. Yeah.